Hey everyone, welcome back to Ender IT. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable or disable the swipe down for notification panel feature on your Android or Samsung Galaxy home screen. If this video helps, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Home Screen. Keep scrolling until you find the option labeled Swipe Down for Notification Panel. This feature allows you to access the notification panel by swiping down anywhere on the home screen. If it's turned on and you want to disable it, simply toggle it off. If it's off and you prefer to enable it, just switch it on. Got any questions? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.